What's up everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Ola here, and in today's video I'm going to be walking you through how to sign up on Palmpay. So right now let's dive into the video. First and foremost, what you need to do right now is to click on the first link in the description. It's going to be the first link I'm going to be seeing down in the description right now to go download the app on your phone. So you could either go to the Play Store or the Apple Play Store right now to download the app on your phone. So this app works on all smartphones, it works on all devices. So once you're done installing the app on your phone right now, this is how the app is going to look like on your phone. You can see right here, this is how the app looks like. Just click on it right now to create an account for yourself, because in this video I'm going to be walking you through step by step how to create a Palmpay account in just 3 minutes on your phone. So right now, stick with me right now and let me show you guys on how to do that. So once you are done clicking on the app, just go down to the me section right here at the down corner here. You're going to see a place where you're going to ask you to sign up right now. And by the way, once you use my link to sign up with Palmpay, you're going to get a free 100 naira recharge card, and also you're going to stand a chance to win 1000 naira once you use the link in the description. So it's your choice to use the link in the description if you know you want to use the link. So you're going to win free recharge card, free 100 naira recharge card, and also you're going to stand a chance to win 1000 naira for yourself. So just click on the sign up button right here. So once you click on the sign up button, it's going to take you to a place where you'll be asked to fill in your phone number. So just all you need right now is to put in your phone number right here. Input your phone number right here. So once you input your phone number, just click on the sign up button. So once you click on the sign up button, it's going to take you to this. So after you click on the link, an OTP code is going to be sent. That is a verification code is going to be sent to your phone right here. All you need right now is to go to your messenger or your message app right now to go input the app. So once you input the app, it's going to ask you to fill in your phone number. That is your phone number, your first name, your last name, your email address. Then you need to put in a referral code. And by the way, I'll be leaving the referral code down in the description below. So once you have put in your first name, your last name, your email address, and your phone number, you're going to be done creating an account on the app. So let me show you guys how the app looks in the site. And by the way guys, it's going to ask you to put in a verification code that you could use to perform some transaction on the Palmpay app. So this is kind of verification whereby if you want to complete if you want to make a transfer or you want to buy airtimes, you are going to input the code right here on the Palmpay app. So it's going to make your transaction to be successful. And by the way, if you do not know what the Palmpay app is all about, for those of you who just in the Palmpay app for the first time, this app is just an in-banking platform whereby you gonna give you the ability, to send money, pay for bills, buy airtime, pay for subscription, and a lot more you could do right here using the Palmpay app. And one thing I love about this Palmpay app is because they are very, very fast and very, very reliable. So once you are done creating your account right here, the first thing you need to do right now is to verify your account. So in order to verify your account, just go over to the me section at the down corner right here. So you'll be asked to verify your account with your bank details. So this is where you could literally link your bank card, you could link your ATM card, then your bank account number right here. So just click on it right here. I've already done mine right now. So once you already linked the both to your account, once you already link your bank account and your bank card, your account is going to be verified fully. So like I said earlier, that you're going to be winning a free 100 naira recharge card once you use my link to sign up. So in order to claim your 100 naira recharge card right now, just go to the airtime section right here. So you're going to see the airtime section at this place right now. Just click on the airtime section. Then once you click on the airtime section, you'll be asked to input your phone number right here. So once you input your phone number right here, just click on 100 naira. So once you click on 100 naira, and you're going to click on pay. So once you click on pay, the recharge card, the airtime is going to be sent to your phone instantly. So guys, that is how you could literally create a Palmpay account right here with your phone. So if you want to learn how you could literally make money using this Palmpay app, and like I said, there's various ways you could use to make money using the Palmpay app. So if you're interested in making money from this app, a video is going to be popping right here on your screen, literally teaching you how to make money using the Palmpay app. Like I said, I hope you guys love the video. If you do, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video right now, and share this video to your friends right now. Like I said, the video is going to be popping right here on your screen, literally teaching you how to make 5,000 naira using the Palmpay app. Yeah, click on the video right now and I'm going to see you guys.